Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here. So let's continue working on our optimization for this scene. And first of all, I want to start with Nanites. And just for example, let's select this mesh, it's our rocket. Now I want to right click, browse to asset. And now let's look for our Nanite. And just for example, at first I want to turn off Nanites on this rocket. And now we are going to check here triangles. So as you can see, we have Nanites everywhere in the scene except of this rocket. So let's go back to this rocket. Let's do the same, but at this time we're going to turn on our Nanites. Save. Yeah, now everything looks fine. Additionally, I want to show you how to turn on our TSR. Let's look for it here. TSR. Here. We should switch to TSR, and moreover, we should switch to virtual shadow maps here. And probably you will have to restart your scene, but it's fine. And now we can check our draw calls. And for this purpose, let's type stat unit here. And now we can see our draw calls. Yep, everything looks fine. And that's all for today.